Good morning, my YouTube family. Good morning. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. It is Thursday morning, 6:45 here in Las Vegas. And I've got a quick video that I'm going to do for you all. It's a tablescape on my sofa table. So come on in, watch it, and I hope that you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you are not a current subscriber of this channel. If you are a current subscriber, thank you guys so much. I'm sorry I've been gone for a minute, but you know what? It's called life. I'm back now. We're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Thank you so much for watching. Got a disinfectant wipe that I am wiping my table down with. Just a few slight changes. I'm starting off with this beautiful placemat. So many tests, so many trials. And I'm gonna go ahead and put both of them down so I don't have to go back and lift up the lamp on the other side. We got the guidance from above, yeah. I have my beautiful DIY fall floral pumpkin. I'm using my DIY candle holders once again. Beautiful fall plaques that I got for 99 cents only when it was still open. I have this fall color charger that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got this beautiful plate, and most of you all know this does come from Dollar Tree. I have another beautiful saucer that comes from Dollar Tree. I chose this one because it's square. It kind of gives the tablescape just a little flair to it. And I picked up this beautiful pumpkin from Dollar Tree. Oh, and my napkin ring is a pumpkin and the beautiful fall color for the napkin. I am still into fall, guys. I have a DIY coaster. And the glass that matches the plates. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back with the reveal. Isn't this beautiful, guys? That turned out so beautiful. Let me take you in for a closer look. so much for coming back to watch this short and sweet fall tablescape. I really appreciate it, guys. I have a lot more videos that is coming up in the next couple of weeks because I'm back on my grind again, and I'm trying to get my house together for fall and start on Christmas. So thank you so much for coming back. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And once again, thank you so much to my current subscribers. And guys, you know what I always say at the end of my videos. Don't let nobody disturb your peace. And somebody was disturbing my peace. And I had to figure out, why am I feeling stressed? Why am I dealing with this? And once I figured out that what was causing my stress, I let it go. That person may be mad at me, but you know what? That's a her problem, not a me problem. My soul is well, my soul is just fine, and my peace is back. Stay away from toxic people. I don't care who they are. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you.